Hey, FUB community. So we're going through each of our different triggers to discuss what some of the capabilities are. So in this video, we're going over our text trigger. So I'm gonna test this, pull in some text data, show some of the things that are possible. When the trigger happens, we get all the data related to the person, and we can filter the automation by any of the stuff on the lead record, as well as any of the data related to the text itself. So if you wanted to run certain automation when a text happens, when you receive a text from a lead that's in a specific stage, we could do something along those lines, or a lot of automation capabilities if it's an inbound text. So let's say it's an inbound text, you could filter by if the text is inbound, and then you could notify someone else on the team. So instead of just the assigned agent being notified, maybe you want to notify an assistant. Or if the agent hasn't responded to the text after a certain time frame, maybe you want to send out trigger an action plan that sends an email letting the client know, hey, we received your text, we'll get back to you. Or maybe you want to run an action plan that has a task for an assistant to reply to the text. We could do all that by filtering by if text was incoming is true. And now we can run an action plan, or if you're using Automations 2.0, apply an automation that sends a task to an assistant or whatever else you want to have happen. Lots of possibilities for our text automation. Filtering by if it's inbound or not is just one of the many things you could do. You could filter by any of the data in the lead record, any of the data within the text, and then run any of these automations in Follow Boss. And then we also can send data into Zapier. So you could use a text happening in Follow Boss to then run any Zapier automation, or send email notifications from our system. We're going to have Slack notifications coming soon. And our analytics platform, you'll be able to feed all of your text data into our system and run whatever reports you want. So these are just some of the things you can do with our text trigger. We'll have the rest of the videos for each of our triggers coming soon. All right, thanks everyone.